All right, we got game number 2 in Savannah. Last one of the week before we have 3 days off. I'm trying something new today with this camera. I'm mic'd up. I'm pitching 2 innings tonight, the first and the second. So I'm gonna be mic'd up for both those innings, and I'm gonna try to put on the vlog. Hopefully the music doesn't get copyrighted, but game 2 we lost last night, so we really gotta come back and finish the week strong. So hope you guys enjoy the vlog. So much technology. 2 phones, Rode mic, Redcon, shout out to Redcon, tripods. We are cooking today. The vlog better be my most viewed vlog of all time.
It ain't going nowhere, son.
B. We got the splits out here. We got the bananas over there. I'm right here. Yeah, we're ready to go, baby. Fire it up. Run like hell. Count it, Chick-fil-A, baby. All right, 1-1 score through 2 innings.
Hey, you want to see the coolest bath flip on a pop-up ever?
Vince screwed me out of that inning. I was also throwing balls, but
See the bath flip in the
goodness gracious.
good.
Yeah, 1-1, top 2. I'm done pitching. Hopefully that mic'd up stuff was cool. If not, then sorry.
Thank you for that. You guys are awesome. Nice. You guys are awesome.
Well, party animals are winning 3-1. Top of the 5th now. And we just did bananas foster. So things are looking good for the boys. Bad camera work. Good job, Rack.
All right, here we go. Third base side from Astros. 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fight, gentlemen, fight. There they go. It's perfect. It's a 2-on-2 ball here. We got Brandon and Chase fighting. Oh, it's brutal. With Alexander Rivera. They are fighting for their lives in the air. They're swinging wildly. This is anybody's game in this melee. We've got 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the fight. Stop the fight. All right. How do you feel about Alexander? How do you feel about Robert? How do you feel about Brandon? And what about Chase? Ladies and gentlemen, here is your winner, Miss Brandon!
I don't know about that one. Tough crowd.
Robert Anthony Cruz!
Shout. Shout. Let's go. Shout. Shout. Hey. Uh-oh. Foul ball. Oh, run like hell. Go foul, stupid.
I've never seen anything like that before.
Please join the bananas in honoring the men and women that serve this great nation.
Easy, Shark.
As we salute our hometown heroes of the night. The Savannah Bananas thank you for your service and commitment to our great country. To our police officers.
Nice.
Alright, Party Animals, we lost the 6th inning with nothing in the 7th, so it's 3-2 Party Animals. Top 8, 20 minutes to go. Plenty of time. Maybe we'll win, who knows.
Be safe. Spray it.
Hold it.
Lots of dogs. All right, 3-2 pitch. Come on, Tanner. Deborah, like hell.
Look at everyone's favorite song. Everybody's just singing Yellow. What a great song. Look, the crowd just lit up. Look at them. Look at them all. This song sucks. But we're still winning. About to be 4-2 going into the top 9, hopefully. Fingers crossed. But yeah, Yellow sucks.
Every run counts for a point. That means the Bananas are not out of this thing. They need to score 1 run to tie it. 2 runs to win the whole thing. Ladies and gentlemen of Savannah, Georgia, get on your feet and welcome to the final inning.
Alright, they scored 1, so 3-2 Party Animals, top 9.
Come on. FYI, there's 2 outs. If we get an out here, we win. Oh, come on! All right! Ahoy! Catch it! Yeah! Let's go! We did it! Party Animals win! See y'all next week!